help us understand this with some more examples. I know governance is important to you. Do you think governance is a reason that we sometimes have intermittent underperformance because bad governance takes time to be revealed to the markets? So which are the, otherwise strong stocks that you have been able to avoid solely because your emphasis on good governance?
So anyways, there are in fact many examples where we have avoided investments after actually having done a thorough analysis of the business and the management, and maybe we might have spent a good amount of time as well in terms of trying to understand these aspects, and upon not getting comfortable answers on some of these, we have avoided. So while I would like to generalize in a way, it's very difficult to quote a specific name of a company, but I would say that we were looking at a jewelry business. Titan is a great example of very well run and well managed business. We felt that just like Titan, there could be it's a big opportunity. So can there be other companies within the same universe which potentially can create similar wealth what Titan has done? So we were looking for the second or third tier jewelry names, and we didn't derive good comfort in terms of the accounting or the some of the transactions which were taking place. So we thought of avoiding, and it was a good decision in hindsight. Beyond Titan, I don't think any other jewelry company has created that kind of wealth. So I think that was an avoid for us. Similarly, we have sort of stayed away from pure play real estate businesses generally, while it's not a strict no for us, but we have avoided because the accounting out there is something which we feel it is difficult to sort of reconcile and understand. So that's one area which we have sort of avoided. Infra companies, while they have a lot of good potential overall, but we are very careful here because again, the kind of accounting they do, the and the, let's say, the poor cash generation track record, that has kept us away from many infra names. We have one or two, but very few of them generally. So I think in terms of the governance, clearly there are these areas which I could generalize where we have sort of taken a decision to stay away broadly, and unless there is an exception within these, we would be open to look at, but by and large, these are the segments where we have sort of avoided taking exposure.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.